Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The average roof replacement cost is $4,200 minus $6,600 on a 1,600 square feet ranch house using asphalt roof shingles. However, if you use premium materials such as metal, wood shingles, clay tile, etc., the cost of your roof will be at least $9,500 $16,000.
Make your mark, take our lead.
On average, it costs from $1.20 to $4 per square foot to tear off and replace a roof with asphalt shingles. For a 1,700 to 2,100 square foot ranch-style property, that costs about $1,700 to $8,400. However, roof replacement costs increase when you use higher-end roofing materials.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.